So before I play this one, I just now noticed, look at that, they updated the thing, right? I think that's a little wrong sound, but okay, watch this. Oh, my dad. Okay guys, the girls run the world vending machine. Is it still saying that? Kind of hope it is. It's not. After 2 years, they got rid of it. This one is still the same though. It's probably broke because it usually is. Girls had a tight grip on this thing and it finally came out. It was a fun 2 years though, making a joke about it. Okay, let's play. Okay, these machines keep making noise. I am at the Oregon coast at Seaside. I have over 100 bucks in quarters just for every machine, so let's see what happens. Got a Pix Bricks thing. It's not even on here. Sweet, got green and yellow slime, like the Green Bay Packers. It's green and yellow also. Okay, let's play the girl run the world vending machine here. It used to say that, actually mid-trip it said that. It used to not, and then it did. Sweet, it gave me the best price. These are the eggs, I haven't even been paying attention. My laundromat has those. Gee, it gave me look, it gave me dice. Sweet. It gave me that dice right there. See? And it dispensed before it even gave me it dispensed before I gave it its money. And I got a ring, sweet. Very good. We're here at Safeway, by the way. Here we go, Stevie. See? It's the most scary machine ever. This guy's still broke. Yeah, he is. Super Mario Brothers behind you, brah. Hey, Stevie, come here. Stand right here. Pose by these machines, okay? And I'll get a pic. The girls run the world vending. Stevie has Denise, don't ya? Okay, smile. Let me get all of them. Different shots, very good. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Time for some jewelry. Oh, that'd be so cool to get this. I didn't even see that last. Was that there last time? No, it wasn't. They switched this out. Right? Yeah, because Little Mermaid was here. New product, folks. And I got another one of these. Pretty cool. They're $3 at downtown. Rather just get it for $75. So before I play this one, I just now noticed. Look at that. They updated the thing, right? I think that's a little wrong sound, but good. Oh yeah, gorgeous. So first comes first. I have to play this one for the girls because they run the world. You're dang straight. I love your singing voice. What am I gonna get, Stevie? Please, girls, give me something good. Look, I got 2 silly bracelets.